Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to do Sabrina Carpenter makeup, and I'm really excited about it because this makeup is really different with the way that I do my own makeup. That's why I prepared Sabrina's makeup. So let's get started. I'm gonna start my makeup with the bronzer. With a line, and then using a clear brush, and the jawline, and the brush. We need to focus the brush more than other places. And with the white one, with this area, and for my eyes I use the same color as my brush. And I'm using really light pink for cream. And highlighter, and with the brown eye pencil I'm gonna do a little bit this. And with the brown eyeshadow, and highlighter for my cheeks. fake lashes and mascara. Alright, and it's time for lipstick. First I'm gonna use a lip pencil. A lip gloss. And because I want to have more spots on my face, I'm gonna use this. Alright, my makeup is done and I'm going to style my hair. Because I don't have bangs, I'm gonna fake it. So stay tuned, I will come back. And here's the final look. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you really